Do you have a child whose academic performance in school is not going on well, or you have an old aged person who is suffering from memory loss or dementia? If your answer to this question is yes, then I have a very good news for you. All I want you to do is to kindly watch this video all the way to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video and make sure you share the link to your friends and family and people around you. Now, you can see on your screen this powerful plant, and it is no other plant than Lantana camara plant. I want to use this opportunity to introduce you to this powerful plant. This plant, you can see, if you have a child who is not performing well academically, or you have someone who is battling with memory loss or dementia, all I want you to do is to look for this powerful plant and then start, using it on the person. And trust me, within the space of 3 months, God is going to show wonders. You are going to see a great deal of improvement in the person's academic work or in the person's memory. So you can see today I have my hand gloves on and I'm holding a piece of scissors. I'm going to show you how to prepare it and how to harvest it. So be with me and kindly watch this video all the way to the end. Harvesting this herbal plant is quite difficult because looking at it clearly, come forward, looking at it clearly, you could see that it has this sharp thorns, okay, and it also have this multicolored flowers, and it produces these berries. We call it Anansi Dokuno or Lantana camara plant. Lantana camara plant. And this is the reason why I'm wearing a hand gloves, because of the thorns. So all I need to do is to use my scissors, you can see, to harvest it. So you can also do the same in case you are fortunate to find some in your vicinity, in your area. You can easily harvest it the way I am harvesting it. Having harvested it and having gotten the required quantity you are looking for, all you need to do is to what? Is to take it home. When you take it home, you can wash it very nicely with salt water so that all the dust and debris will be washed away. Right after that, you can start to dry them. You can either dry it under a sun like this, or you dry it under a shade for some days. After it has been well dried up, you can then pound it into a powdered form, a fine powdered form, or you can take it to the miller so that it will be milled into a very fine powder. Having gotten your powder, all you need to do is to start taking it. Children below 18 years, you mix about 1 teaspoon of the powder into about 250 ml of a very hot water, very, very hot water. Allow this mixture to infuse for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can carefully drain it and then give it to the child. So the child is going to take 200 ml in the morning, 200 ml in the in the evening. You can add little honey if you have honey, 100% pure honey. You can add some to sweeten it and give it to the child. I hope you understand. So give it to him, 200 ml in the morning, 200 ml in the in the evening. Adults above 18 years will take 1 tablespoonful of the powder, mix in about 350 ml or 400 ml of hot water. Let it infuse for like 1 hour. After that, carefully drain it and then start drinking it. 300 ml in the morning, 300 ml in the in the evening. Morning and evening, morning and evening. And trust me, within the space of 3 months, the memory, which has become very dull and very slow, will begin to start functioning extremely well. So what are you waiting for, my brother, my sister? You watching me, kindly hurry up, go and then get some of this leaf and start using it, because the herbs are always for the healing of the nation. In case you need some to buy, the number to call is 0240984949, 0240984949. This one you can see I am harvesting. I am harvesting it for production. So it will be first call, first come, first serve, because it wouldn't be something plenty, because finding this herb is quite difficult. So this one we are going to process it. As and when it will be ready, I will come here again and then announce it so that everybody can get some to buy. Somebody was asking me the other day, doctor, if you are harvesting it, are you going to harvest it together together with the whole thing? Yes. So you can see how I am harvesting it. Check it out. So you see, this, so we are not harvesting only the leaves. You can harvest it together with the seed, the flowers, and then some of the what of the stick. You can see. So this is how you harvest it. Okay, you don't harvest it, you know, you don't harvest only the leaves. You harvest the whole thing. I hope you understand. Yes, thank you very much for watching. If you have watched this video to this far, may God richly bless you. May God give you whatever you need in life, because you are supporting our journey. Because for you to watch the video from the beginning to this age, to this end, it's not an easy. It means you are really, really supporting the movement. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Like it. The most important thing I want you to do for me after subscribing is to like this video. Because when you like the video, the YouTube algorithm will see it and start, recommending the video to others. I will see you in my next one. And until then, have a nice day and take good care of yourself. Bye.